Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add links onto other web pages on your Wix.com website. So first off, let's start with editing our site from the dashboard. Just click on this to edit your site. It'll redirect you onto this page right here. From here, click on the left-hand side here on Add Elements. On Add Elements, go to click on text. So whichever text here you want, it doesn't matter, honestly. I'm just going to do big title. On big title, you want to click on this logo here, link. On link, click on that. And if you want to redirect it onto a page within your own website, stay on the pages section. If you want to redirect this link onto another web or another website, click on this and then paste your URL here. But for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can redirect this onto a page on your own store. So if I want to redirect this onto the product page, the cart page, the thank you page, I'm just going to click on the product page and I'm going to press done. And that's it. Now this text has a link that you can click. It's going to be a hyperlink. If I press preview, for example, on preview, if I click on this, it'll redirect me onto the product website right here.